Yo, what's going on, guys? What did you got here? Welcome to Mario Kart 64. Yes, this is gonna be our second freaking video for our double upload. Yes, I just uploaded another video like 1 second. Well, it wasn't. To me, it was 1 second ago. Now I'm making this next upload. Now I'm gonna play some Mario Kart freaking 64 up in here. I used to play this with my friend in school sometimes. You know, I mean, I still do, but you know, I freaking cheater. Just freaking cheater. So can I use my controller or not? Okay, there we go. Okay. So we can let's do 50cc because I don't want to deal with these that. So usually I pick Yoshi or Luigi. If he usually picks Luigi, I pick Yoshi because Yoshi's my second freaking best player in this game. Let's do this one so I can go to Rainbow Road, because y'all know Rainbow Road is the freaking best. But yeah, when we did these, I was kind of keep telling you do special, because I want freaking Rainbow Road. But let's do this. So can I? Okay. I mean, I usually use my Xbox controller to play this, but you know, gotta use PlayStation. So I played this on Retro Arch, so the controls were different. So I got the regular controls now. My controls are different. So I guess I'm getting better at this. Well, no, I'm not. Yes, I am. Okay, making sure because last time I was trash at this. Completely trash. Is that a word? Completely trash. Well, I was trash. I don't think we can get to the whole freaking race, but we'll go to as much as we can, because I only can record for like 15 minutes. So we can do like 2 freaking levels, I don't know, it depends how fast we complete these. Well, depending on this, I don't know how long, because I can't see the time on there. Why the freak can I see the time? Ah, god dang it. But we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna fix it a little bit, just in case, because I want to see how much time we have. But now we're in the second lap. Freaking back off, freaking toes. Back off. For some reason, I don't know why I say freaking off. But that was so delayed. Okay, I see what these delayed freaking things. But for some reason, the bananas freaking give you boost. Don't you dare. Oh, I was gonna freaking say. Yeah, bananas give you boost for some reason. If you slip, I don't know. Back off, though. You're not being in first place. Why did I just go fast from finish? Why am I in second place? How the freak did you get to? God, dude, come on. Back to free call. Ooh, question block. I like how it's just like the other block. But that can actually trick me instead of putting in 9 version of it. Come on. Oh, red shell, back off, so. Boom! I can't do it backwards. What? I slipped on a banana. God dang it. Hey, boom, back off. YouTube code, freak, I missed. Final lap, it's freaking final lap and Toad's freaking first place. No. I need to stop this freaking. Boom! Let's go. Bam! No. Why? What? Why? Just tell me why. It's not that hard. Back the freak off. Why? Alright, so clearly Donkey Kong's in first place. Where's freaking... No, it's Bowser. No! Bowser, get so... Boom! Back the freak off. Boom! Let's go. First place. If you freaking screw up. I swear to God. Boom. I can't like hit backwards, but we did it. Let's freaking go. Oh. Yes. Bro. Isn't this the music from Mario Kart 7? Guys, this is the music from Mario Kart 7. If y'all played that game, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, snap. That's where they got it from. Okay. Okay, I did not click on it. Well, let's get to know. It's only been 5 minutes, so we can keep on going. I just had to pause it real quick just to, so I could see the time. Alright. No boost? Oh, I remember this level. This is the one with the question mark, so you won't see anything. Sometimes I might be playing Mario Kart with some people. You know, usually I don't play with freaking friends, so I don't have any friends. Alright. Okay, I'm getting boosted. You guys know what I'm saying? I'm getting all these good freaking items. Am I even in first? I just don't know if I'm in first. This is what I hate about this level, because the falling takes forever. Like, come to the freak on. Now I can actually see where my card is at. So clearly I'm in last place right now. So we're gonna have to get back to first place, so we don't have to be retarded and all that. Okay. Alright, we gotta be careful with this stuff. Oh. No. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Okay. Woo! L10. Give me a freaking item. I swear. Thank you. Yeah, that's what you get. Freaking. No! Crap! Come on. I hate you. Alright, so I'm like far away. I'm only where Peach is at. Are you serious? I missed the freaking item. Give me that. Give me that. I'm gonna just use all of them because I can. What the? Yeah, I might have lost this part. Boom. You trying to screw me up, my boy. Why is he do this? Just why? What? Why do you do this? I don't understand. I gotta boost that. That might hit some people. In the way! Got all that now. Got all that freaking. They're all on the third lap, guys. They're all on the third lap. They just passed me. I hate this. I hate this level. I hate this freaking level. I clearly lost on this one. This is just some freaking bullcrap. God. And I flipped on a banana. How great is that? I have to make a sound every time I Why would I fall for that? I just want an item. Like, I just want an item. They already finished their freaking part. How'd I get hit by my own freaking mushroom? I lost. I'm in 8th place. 8th place. Wait.
Here we go.
Wait, they didn't win? So I was in 4th place the whole time. Only I passed the LC, that's scumbag. Alright, let's keep on going. Let's do this. Oh! Alright, we got like 5 freaking minutes. I don't think we'll get to Rainbow Road. I'm sorry. Boom! Speed boost. Screw you, Bowser. I swear to goodness, screw you. Freaking scumbag. Oh yeah, P.S. This freaking map is from the Mario Kart DS. You didn't even got the music? I'm gonna put my headphones on. Oh, okay, I can't make it deep enough. But let me try to get back to freaking boom! Get zapped! Alright, boom! God dang it. Screw you, Mario. Alright, someone just got tricked. I'm in 3rd place right now. Oh, 4th place. Screw you. Come on, pass these runs. 2nd place. Bowser, I'm coming for you. Freaking go. It's a joke. Boom! Get wrecked with it. Screw you, Bowser. Third place. Alright, let me try to make this fun. Boom! Okay, I didn't freaking mess up this time. Now I'm in freaking 5th place because that one only thing you didn't turn from. Why are you turn? Come on! Come on! Oh yeah, as y'all can notice in the bottom left, I know it says Screenomatic. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I know it has a watermark. It's freaking crap. God dang it. Alright, 12. We got like, it's only lap 2. I would just want to be, god dang it with these bags. I know this map. Why do I suck it? Maybe because these freaking turnies. Freaking bullcrap. Alright, come here, Peach. You're dead. Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Freaking ghost. What the freak? Ah! No! Back off! Back off! Alright. Final lap. And then I have to end this after that. Let's see if we can finish this before. It's 13. We got 2 minutes to complete this. Okay. It's only been 24 seconds. Alright. Now! Dang it. Come on. Bowser move. Come on. If we have enough time to do Rainbow Road, we might do like the last 2 minutes of it. Boom! Come on! Yes! Okay. 10 seconds till the last minute. God dang it! Why only 15 seconds to the time? Alright, okay. I have 1 minute to get to that finish line. It's right there. Don't you dare pass me, I swear to goodness. Alright, I made it. Come on. Boom! I'm a Luigi. Number one. Well, we still have like, it's been that much, 14 minutes and 29 seconds. I'm spamming the A button right now so I can hear. Alright, let's get to this Rainbow Road. But guys, if you guys enjoyed this, we only have 20 seconds. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And I'll see you guys in the freaking next video. But we got 10 seconds. But let's see. Oh, you got 10 seconds to watch this. Oh my goodness. This is drugs. Oh, I'll see you guys later. Peace.